G'day everybody, welcome to this episode. Today, Sunday. Sun was out, should be out, bulk of the day. So we're off for a ride. We're going to head to the northern coast, catch up with a few cobbers and have a bit of lunch. So grab a bevy, kick back, enjoy the show. Let's get into it. Roll that intro. And I'm not sure I can use that now because I had the music going. Sorry about that if I put that in and there's just pictures and no audio. Or I could just cheat and say, and we're off. So it looks like we're going to go Lilydale Highway and through to Bridport, lunch at the pub. Sounds like a plan. Got myself up here behind the new Fat Boy. Very nice. How's that big back end going? Oh, gotta love it, don't you? Cobwebs out of her. She's been parked up for a while. Oh man, how good is this? Massive week this week. Busy at work. Had squirt in hospital for some tests and then they kept her in for get some medication into it. So hopefully the little troop will be up and about in no time. Long weekend here in Tassie this weekend, so a couple extra days for a recovery. The world will be a good place again. 2020, eh? But let's settle in today and enjoy the day out with mates. Lock up some Ks, get to spend some time on the bike. Feed a couple of beers and some laughs. Oh man, I'm all over the show. How long have I been riding? Damn. Sit back guys, enjoy. Trip up through here. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to put some music on and kick back and enjoy the day. guessing we're not stopping today. So if you're into waterfalls, go and check that out. Got to watch these railway tracks. They're right on the bends up here somewhere. Here it is here. Nasty. Could be nasty. Oh no, scrape. What's going on? Welcome to Scottsdale. This is a dairy region, Tasmania, and spuds and onions they grow up this way. The good old red dirt. And yeah, I'm not sure spuds, for those of you that are international, potatoes or potatoes or whatever it is that you call them where you're from. The shit they make chips out of, if that helps. Zip down here to Bridport. We've had a bit of a rake down here. We've got a bag open, beginning of the riding season. The joys of tail end Charlie. All good though, we're good to go. Looks like they've waited. Good old boys. Excellent. We're all back together again. Why it's called a brotherhood. You always wait, because one day it might be you that's broken down on the side of the road. Well done, crew. Okay, Bridport, here we come. So, I have a question for the riders out there. I'll look you in the eye. What do you sing in your helmet? Do you have music going and you just burst into whatever that is? Or do you have certain songs that you rip into? I want to know. Stick that shit down in the comments. And no, you won't be hearing me sing because I know I'm tone deaf. And I'm not sure that I want to set out a challenge or hear anybody else sing. I'm just wondering, do you rip into the song that's playing in your ears, or do you have certain songs that you tend to mull over when you're on the bike? I tend to burst into chorus or whatever it is I'm listening to. And it's really hard not to kick off the speed limit of the country and have a bit of Born to be Wild. You know, get your motor running, get out on the highway type thing going on in your head. every single time. What is it that you guys sing when you're out and about in your helmet that no one else can hear? Let me know. Put in the comments. And on a serious note, I'd just like to thank everybody that's subscribed to me. I've a little while ago now managed to hit 100 subs, which is very exciting. So now I have my own YouTube Big Bird URL, or whatever they call them. Bear with me with the technical stuff, I'm not onto it. So thanks everybody, all 105 of you. Thank you. Gee, 104, more than ever imagined. So there you go. So thank you, appreciate it. Let's see if we can continue to grow the channel. That'll be cool. So thank you. Those of you that are sitting back having a refreshment while you're watching this video, well, we're about to join you. So cheers. Man, that's a dog. Okay, so a couple of beers and a feed at the pub. I had the fish and chips. So down here in Tassie, our fish is gummy shark. Very nice feed. So we're just going up this way to have a look for, there's a new road, a bypass up this way, so we're going to go and check that out. So we're going to zip up the Bridport highway back towards Georgetown, then drop down through onto the river and back to town. So sit back, enjoy. Oh, the gear there somewhere, there it is. Damn, I'm out of practice. So we're zipping through Mount direction. Probably call in at the single station tavern. Have a beer before we go home. So oh there! Oh shit! Look at this road. That's shit. look at the time. Must be beer o'clock. So I'm going to call that a day, and must be time for a beer, eh? Let's go. Cheers guys, see you next time.